Warning! Changing the battery in a MacBook Pro requires technical expertise and precision. If you don't have experience or confidence in working with delicate electronics, it is strongly advised to seek professional assistance or take your MacBook Pro to Digicomp LA. Before we begin, make sure you have a clean and well-lit workspace. Gather the required tools: a screwdriver set, including a pentalobe and a tri-wing screwdriver, an anti-static wristband, and a replacement battery compatible with your MacBook Pro model. Turn your MacBook Pro upside down so that the bottom case is facing up. Use the pentalobe screwdriver to remove the screws that secure the bottom case. There are typically around 10 screws, but the exact number may vary depending on your MacBook Pro model. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the bottom case away from the MacBook Pro and set it aside. Now, remove the screws securing the battery in place using the appropriate screwdriver and carefully disconnect it from the logic board. The trackpad connector is a small rectangular component near the center of the MacBook Pro. It has a cable connecting it to the logic board. Gently lift the trackpad connector's retaining flap, being careful not to damage it. Then, pull the connector straight out to disconnect it from the logic board. Take note of its orientation so you can reconnect it correctly later. The battery is held in place with adhesive strips. Use the spudger tool or your fingers to gently pry up the adhesive strips one by one. Take your time and be patient to avoid damaging the battery or any internal components. Now, carefully lift the battery out of the MacBook Pro. Take note of its orientation for when you install the new battery. Place the new battery into the MacBook Pro, aligning it correctly with the connector ports. Carefully reconnect the battery connector to the logic board. Ensure it is securely connected, but be gentle to avoid any damage. Double-check that everything is properly aligned. Line up the bottom case with the MacBook Pro and gently press it into place. Use the pentalobe screwdriver to replace the screws and secure the case back onto the laptop. You're almost done. Connect your MacBook Pro to a power source and power it on. Verify that the battery is detected and charging properly. Once confirmed, you've successfully changed your MacBook Pro battery.